Hey there fellow traders, want to know a trading strategy that's total no-brainer, works on any chart and best of all won't cost you a dime? Well, you're in luck because we'll stumble upon a gem that checks all those boxes. The secret sauce is a combo of two powerful and totally free indicators. First up is the Black Pickup Trend Trader. Just pop up the name into your indicator search bar and boom, you're one step closer to chart domination. But hold your horses, we're gonna tweak your Black Pickup Trend Trader settings. It's not hard at all. Just follow along and we'll get it set up just right for you. And as I explained, we're gonna use another free tool in our trading strategy. But before that, I have a question. Ever felt like TradingView was holding you back by its too many limitations? If you answered yes to this question, well, that's why I'm introducing you the new platform called FastBull. Totally free and has a ton of awesome features. With FastBull, you can open up to 64 charts at the same time, all in their own tab, and it won't cost you a dime. You can arrange your charts however you like, making it super easy to keep track of everything. You know how important historical data is for making smart trades, right? Well, TradingView limits you to 5,000 candles, but FastBull gives you unlimited access to historical data on all charts, and it's all free. And if you're into using lots of indicators, FastBull's got you covered. Unlike TradingView, which only let you use 2 indicators at a time, FastBull lets you add as many as you want to a chart. And again, it's all free. FastBull also makes it easy to find whatever you're looking for, whether it's indices, stocks, forex, commodities, crypto, or futures. You can search for any symbol, open its chart, and customize your view with up to 64 charts in a single tab. And last but not least, FastBull gives you all the tools you need to analyze and draw on your charts, and it's all free forever. Everything you need is just a click away in the easy to use sidebar. So why not give it a try? You can find all the links for FastBull in the description of this video. So we're getting back to our game plan. This time, we're gonna look up the 3 EMA indicator. Just type into the search bar in the indicator section and click on it. Once you selected the 3 EMA indicator, you'll see a gear icon. This is where you can adjust the settings of the indicator. Click on it to open up the settings panel. Alright, now that you've got everything set up in your chart, let's talk about the rules for trading. If you're thinking about making a long trade, the first thing you gotta check is if the market is in a bullish trend. You can tell if it is bullish trend if the 45 period moving average is above the 180 period moving average, and both of them are above the 360 period moving average. Also, the price should be trading above all these moving averages. And the second thing you need is a buy signal with the closing price of the candle above all moving averages. So once you've got all that, you're good to go with a long trade. Then you should place your stop loss right underneath the stop loss line drawn by the black peacock indicator. And for the take profit, we're aiming for a risk to reward ratio of 1 to 3. That means every dollar you risk, you're aiming to make $3 in profit. And here's how to make short trade. First off, you want to make sure that the market is going down. You can tell this if the 45 period moving average is below the 180 period moving average and both are below the 360 period moving average. And also, the price should be trading below all these moving averages. Next, look for a sell signal and make sure the closing price of the signal candle is below all the moving averages. So, once you see that, you're ready to make a short trade. Put your stop loss right above the stop loss line that black peacock indicator draws. For the take profit, aim for a risk to reward ratio of 1 to 3. This means for every dollar you risk, you're hoping to make $3 in profit. And now that you learned the strategy, let's check out how the strategy performed in the backtesting. We ran 100 trades on the Bitcoin chart with a 15-minute time frame. And guess what? We nailed 60 winning trades and had 40 losers. It gives us a sweet 60% win rate. Now the worst streak of losses we hit was 2 in a row. But don't sweat it, because we also has a hot streak of 3 wins in a row. The biggest dip in account balance was only 1.99%. We risked 1% of our account on each trade and aimed for a 3% profit. And get this, the profit factor was an impressive 4.5. By the end, our account grew by a whopping 294% over about 12 weeks. But hey, don't stop learning just yet. Check out the video we've recommended on your screen for more tips and tricks and in-depth analysis to take your trading skills to next level. Just click the thumbnail and you'll be on your way to even more trading wisdom. Keep crushing it and we'll catch you in the next one. Happy trading.